Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to leave Alliance and Dark War. In Dark War Survival, leaving an alliance is straightforward, but it's important to proceed carefully. First, go to the Alliance section, located above the envelope icon. Select your current alliance. Next, tap the Manage options, usually beside the Alliance stats. Here, you see a large red Leave button. Before pressing it, make sure you are certain, as finding or rejoining your previous alliance may be difficult if you don't remember its name or if it's inactive. Once you're ready, press Confirm, and you will successfully leave the alliance. After leaving, you can join a new alliance that better fits your playstyle, connect with more active members, or explore different alliance benefits. This flexibility allows you to adjust your strategy and enjoy Dark War Survival with a group that complements your gameplay goals. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.